If you want to easily track your Google Form, just make sure that you get email responses for everyone that fills it. So you click on your one of the responses, view summary, then you go to responses. When you go to responses, it will give you a chart like summary of all the people that have filled the forms and what they answered. So after giving you this chat like summary, you can also download the responses. Even if it's 100 responses, you can download it all in a CSV form, which you can open with your Excel folder. So just click on these three dots and click on download responses. So you can open it with Google Sheets, or you can open it with WPS of if Office if you have it on your phone. So if you don't have it on your phone, you can install any of those apps through Google Play Store. They are free of charge. I hope this helps. Bye.